All right, guys, we've got the XIXITPY voice recorder. This records up to 750 hours of recording. It's got a 64 gigabyte hard drive. This thing is a beast and it is super compact. So this is going to fit in your pocket. This can easily be placed on a desk for if you're doing an interview. I mean, you could use this in a lot of situations for meetings, making sure you don't miss anything when you're having like a meeting with a client, or maybe you're doing an interview, a journalist doing an interview. Um, in maybe you want to listen, you want this recording while you're in class to make sure you don't miss anything from the professor, and you could have it dictated into notes later on afterwards. It's super simple to use. Here it is right here. Let me just record real quick. Yeah, so anyways, I was just wanting to make sure that I took notes for class so that I don't miss anything the teacher says later. Yeah, so anyways, I was just wanting to make sure that I took notes for class so that I don't miss anything the teacher says later. So it's yeah, so anyways, I was just wanting to make sure that so it's super easy to use. It's literally one click. You just click the knob up like that and it starts recording. You bring it back down and it stops recording. So if you even need to catch someone in a like quickly, you just want to have it in your pocket, you can just switch it to record and it'll pick up whatever you want there. Now, in order to delete, all you do is hit the delete button, then you hit the play button, and then you confirm it one more time. So it's super easy to use. I love that it's easily rechargeable with the USB-C. That just plugs in right to the side here. At the end of the day, this is an extremely compact unit and 64 gigabytes, up to 750 hours of audio stored. Dude, there's tons of these, but this one works. I'm testing it right now. It does exactly what it says it does, and I highly recommend it.